Are you looking for a simple yet powerful dialogue solution? Well, look no further. DevBird's Dialogue Maker is a character profiler and dialogue tree plugin for your next project. Create unique character profiles with an unlimited range of portraits for expressive characters or those with extensive wardrobes. Easily import your characters and their portraits into the Dialogue Graph tool and start writing dynamic dialogue. Dialogue Maker's node system allows for more than just dialogue. Spice things up with subtle music shifts. Or take your characters on a wild ride with smooth background transitions. Take your story to the next level with the Dialogue Option feature. Dialogue Maker allows you to add an unlimited amount of options to choose from to create unique branching dialogue. Dialogue Maker also comes with many available settings to customize, such as your UI and style choice, suitable for creating a wide range of games from simple RPGs to more in-depth visual novels. Dialogue Maker is available on the Unity Asset Store now. Click the link below and start making your dream game today.